Today, let's talk about the Jaguar XJ, a luxury sedan with a history that dates back to 1968. The current model has been around since 2009 and sits in the same price bracket as the Audi A8 and BMW 7 Series. It's a more budget-friendly alternative to the Mercedes S-Class, even though it's similar in size. When it comes to engine option, the XJ keeps it simple. You get a 3.0-liter diesel engine and that's about it. This engine delivers solid performance for overtaking, but it might lag behind competitors like the BMW 740d in terms of speed. Unlike some rivals that offer a variety of engines including petrol, diesel and hybrids, the XJ's choices are limited. What sets the Jaguar XJ apart is its focus on driving enjoyment. Unlike many luxury sedans designed primarily for comfort and chauffeuring, the XJ feels more like a sporty car. The driver's seat is low and sporty, and the dashboard designs add to that feeling. It handles with the agility of a smaller car, which is great for those who love spirited driving. However, it's not as plush as the Mercedes S-Class, with more road noise creeping in at higher speeds. Inside, the XJ's high-end models come with a leather dashboard, but some of the materials might not feel as premium as what you would find in an Audi or Mercedes. Despite this, the cabin still exudes luxury with metal air vents and wood trim on the doors. Every XJ comes with a 12.3-inch infotainment screen featuring navigation and internet connectivity, though it falls a bit short in terms of graphics and user-friendliness compared to its competitors. Plus, it doesn't offer Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Getting comfortable in the XJ is easy thanks to the electrically adjustable front seats. There are options for even more adjustment and a massage feature for added luxury. However, rear seat passengers might find the space a bit tight, particularly in terms of headroom, especially compared to the rivals like S-Class or A8. The boot space in the XJ is decent, 416 liters. While it's not the biggest compared to some rivals, the wide opening makes loading items like golf bags breeze, making it more practical than the S-Class in that regard.